Nobody can become rich by his salary. Some random facts you should know in 2025. 1. Nobody can become rich by his salary. 2. And whoever is too afraid to invest will die poor. 3. The poor work to make money. 4. The rich make their money work. 5. After finding work, you should find work for your money. 6. Your two combined remunerations will make your wealth. 7. Being too afraid to invest is like deciding not to sow because of a bad season that has caused huge losses. 8. Be leaders and not followers. 9. Decide to be rich and not just rely on a likely job. 10. Great men are not born in greatness, they grow up. 50511. If you do not ask, the answer will always be no. 12. If you do not take a step forward, you always stay in one place. 13. To succeed in your life, you must learn to never back down from obstacles and achieve the goal you have set for yourself. 14. A pessimist sees the difficulty in each opportunity. An optimist sees the opportunity in each difficulty. 15. You must remain motivated. Until you subscribe to Brave Minds projects, women will continue to useless you. Be wise. Stay Putinized. Now that you have accepted the Brave Minds projects, the mission of Brave Mind is to inspire and improve people's lives. Join us on our journey by following the community with premium content.